Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY, Cannon's RV. I just got done replacing a gas valve on a Dometic water heater. As most of you know, Dometic actually bought Atwood years ago. So there's still some Atwood part numbers kind of floating around out there, but like on some of the earlier Dometic 6-gallon Atwood water heaters, and I haven't double checked on the newer ones yet. They still use the part number 92100, which is the 6-gallon water heater gas system. And it comes with everything you see here: the gas valve, the burner, the bracket, the wires, the brass fittings. So if you buy it and it doesn't come with this and they're calling it a 92100, it's most likely a copycat aftermarket part. And they're just trying to sell you the gas valve because they want you to remove all these other parts. And I bet you this part is close to the same price as what you paid for the other one without all the other parts. So you got to be careful where you buy it from. We'll post links down below where you guys can buy these. Here's what it looks like. The gas valve is installed vertically up and down, as you can see, as compared to like horizontally, like on your 10-gallon water heater. And so then your burner obviously is down here at the bottom, goes across, goes over. And they're just held in with a bunch of Phillips screws. In the middle where that big huge hole is, there's a Phillips screw that looks like that might be holding it on, but it's not. There's just a washer there, and you don't have to remove the big huge one. We'll make a video on the water heater itself the next time we work on it. I just wasn't able to make the video this last time because it was pouring down rain and windy as all can be. And so this is the used gas valve, and we put a brand new one on there. And I did it in about 15, 20 minutes, I think. So you shouldn't pay anywhere, no more than a half hour to an hour. This specific job, we charged the customer, I think, 150 bucks to install it. And that included the water heater part. So this part right here. So, and he's one of our existing customers. So at Cannon's RV here in Vancouver, Washington, our goal is to keep you as a customer. We're not looking to really make a whole bunch of money off you everywhere on every single job that we do. So it's like we're pretty fair across the board as to where some companies might not be. But I think a lot of the good long-term mobile RV repair shops out there, if they've been around a while, they're not typically ripping people off. So we actually lowered our rates $50 from $200 an hour to $150 an hour because we felt that with the rising costs of living expenses, and food and everything else, we did the math, and the extra 50 bucks an hour wasn't really worth it to us when our customers could save the 50 bucks and stay at 150, and some of our competitors are at 175 and 200. I think the highest competitor we have is at $225 an hour. So we did lower it back down, just so everybody knows. If you're in the Clark County, Vancouver, Washington area, give us a call. If you need a new gas valve for your water heater installed, give us a call. We'll get it on there for 150 bucks if it's a 6-gallon Dometic 92100. And I guarantee you it'll be the cheapest price out of anywhere you pay, and it'll be an OEM part. So as long as the price stays low like it is now, and it doesn't jack up, which it's probably gonna because of the tariffs, but just so everybody knows, we're still trying to find ways to save you money. So if you want to support the channel, subscribe, like the video, comment below, tell your friends. If you're ever in the Clark County, Washington area, give us a call. We'd love to meet you, love to work on your RV. We're looking forward to a good summer here. We're going into what we call our spring rush season, where we start to get a ton of jobs. So you'll want to call ahead, but sometimes we still have same day and next day services available when there's 2 of us to 3 of us working. So reach out by all means, even if it's busy and it's like, hey man, I'm leaving tomorrow, give me a call. Sometimes we can still accommodate you, whether it be we just come out after hours. And we carry a lot of parts in stock compared to some of our competitors. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. and we'll see you guys in the next one. Safe travels out there.